OneSearch, the search box on the library homepage, is the gateway to searching all library resources at once. Many of these do not show up in a Google search, so you'll want to start here. The limiters along the side of your search results will point you to source types. You probably have some idea of which source type you want for any given search. If you are looking for current events, you can limit to newspaper articles. Click on the record or full text options to see your choices. Click on one of the linked databases to go to the actual full text. If you are off campus, you'll be prompted to log in with your Wartburg credentials. If you are looking for definitions or summaries to get you started, click instead on reference entries to see encyclopedia articles. Again, click the record or full text options to see your choices. Click on one of the linked databases to go to the actual full text. Most databases will have additional options such as emailing or getting a quick citation. When you need data from a specific scientific or academic study, look for peer-reviewed journal articles, which may also be called academic, scholarly, or refereed. These researched articles have been reviewed by other scholars in the field prior to publication. That review is more than grammar or fact checks. It involves close examination of the study in terms of logic, ethics, and field standards. You will access these articles the same way you access the others, by clicking on the record and the database. But there is one additional step. Make sure what you are looking at is an actual researched article if that's what you need. Peer-reviewed journals contain other types of articles, letters to the editors, news, book reviews, and more. To know if you're looking at a researched article or one of these other types of things, look for the components of an abstract, an introduction, and literature review before the main presentation of research. In scientific articles, there will also always be a methods, discussion, and conclusion section. Sometimes you need longer, more in-depth information that pulls together many aspects of a topic. That's when you look for a book. Limit along the side. If the book is an e-book, click the record. Then, click the link to the full text. Look for your options. You can usually read the book on your screen or download to your device. If the book is in print, you'll need the location and the full call number. We have several locations in the library. Our main section is the General Stack's first floor, through the hallway if you enter from the cadet. Explore the library on your own or ask a library staff person for guidance to find the other locations. In addition to these types of sources, the library also has technology, equipment, bikes, world music instruments, camp chairs, and more available for checkout. The methods in this video can be applied from your first research project at Wartburg to your last. But the methods we listed here are only the beginning. As your research projects become more complex within your majors and upper-level electives, you will learn the more advanced ways to make OneSearch work for you. And you'll learn about the many other resources in the library and online that can suit those more precise needs. To review, OneSearch gets you started on research. Use it to search for news, encyclopedia articles, scholarly journal articles. Remember to look for the components of a researched article, books, and all the other items in our collection.